leave, the fans still gonna love me, man? I get love out here.
They said I would lose and they prayed it on me. All that stress, I was vexed, yeah, they waited on me. Told them, give me some time and they waited on me. I got to the money, some niggas move funny, so I had to shine on the sunny. Put on for my niggas like Jeezy. Niggas thinking that they slick shit is greasy. I told her that I be that nigga, she didn't believe me. Can't wait till she see me. That nigga that said I was trash wanna beat me. They said that this shit go so hard, I make this shit look too easy. From hand-me-downs to a bust down, from LOL to she wanna fuck now. Guess that I'm up now, guess this how it feels when you coming up now. Some niggas they hated, outdated, I waited to shine when niggas was giving shade. Ain't want us to feast, now my team is eating, and you getting cut off the dinner plate. Fuck niggas finna say, I get in my bag when I finna late. If you taking shots, better send them straight, and hope that they penetrate. I'm going in, I'm still on 10. I don't need friends, I need all my niggas in here right now. Real nigga day one, I never switched up. No, I never switched up, no. I'm going in, I'm still on 10. I don't need friends, I need all my niggas in here right now. Real nigga day one, I never switched up. No, I never switched up, no.
Rich nigga can't tell me nothing. Broke nigga can't tell me nothing. Fake nigga can't tell me nothing. Real nigga can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Rich nigga can't tell me nothing. Broke nigga can't tell me nothing. Fake nigga can't tell me nothing. Real nigga can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing.
Heard niggas still talking that hate shit. Real niggas still talking that fake shit. But nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but see them, they don't say shit. Bunch of hating ass niggas sending hate through the motherfucking wire. We done cut off all connections, but still got the plug through the street. Need to make ends meet, then I can get you connected. I'm the man right now, so you can't make demands right now. Talking out your neck, boy, you better pipe down. My niggas on the edge right now, on the hunt for the paper. So if you in where you get snuffed for the paper, don't fuck with no hater. I had to get weighed up for all of them nights we ain't eat, had to wait up. Now we feast while we do this, while everyone he had to watch for the Judas. Cause niggas will run up, them they want donuts. But God got that body, I had to put one up. For all of my niggas that's out on the come up, stay humble, no trouble, stack bread, then you stun out. On all of them people that said that you couldn't, and all of the haters that said that you wouldn't. Now it's all up, like it's all love, but it's no love and no new friends. We just grind here, just to shine here. Diamonds lit like it's Times Square. We ain't had nothing, just made something. Can't tell me nothing. Dreams of the money, said one day we'll make it. Loyalty made you family, blood we wasn't related. Still had a bond of some brothers, stuck to the code of honor. Money, power, respect, never testify to your honor. Just some niggas on the come up. Niggas hated and we said fuck them, and threw one up, middle fingers to the sky. Now raise that motherfucker high. Tryna get a piece of the pie, wanna throw me a piece of pussy cause ain't much change, but tomorrow, today we all in no bottles. Get fucked up and lose our thoughts and worry about it all tomorrow. But for now, let's blow these blunts and get super duper high and holla at these bitches passing us by like. And no, I ain't no killer for my niggas. Yeah, they know that I'm a pop. Yeah, they know that I'm a pop some. Yeah, I'ma ride for my niggas. I'ma die for my niggas. Hop out and put like 5 in a nigga like bang, 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 bang.
Girl, I'm so into you. The Henny put me in the mood. You know exactly what you came here for. So girl, what you finna do? Cause I need some action. Tender satisfaction. Somebody keep calling for me. Girl, let's try not to lose connection. Girl, I'm so into you. The Henny put me in the mood. This the beginning, so just keep it on the interlude. Start kissing 69, so I flip you like reciprocal. I be your freak and your friend and your nigga too. Tell your girl stop hating, she could get it too. Only if you into, don't wanna offend you. We could cut the voice and I could beat it instrumental. Girl, I'm so into you. The Henny put me in the mood. You know exactly what you came here for. So girl, what you finna do? Cause I need some action, tender satisfaction. Your body keep calling for me. Girl, let's try not to lose connection.
Make some noise for Hoody fucking ready, let's go! Push it up. They know I can sing that shit. They know I can sing that shit. Let's go!
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? Said you need someone to love you, someone to run to, not someone to run it through the dirt. You need someone to hold you. He just wanna control her. I can't for you, sing for you, he'll do a thing for you. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you all my love. Girl, it's all.
Somebody put the camera on her right now. They're gonna like put the camera on her right now. She's smiling. I be the one to take time for you, time for you, time for you. Go ride with you. Baby, you should let me
love you, love you, love you, love. Oh, baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love.
Everybody give it up for my motherfucking DJ Parker, let's go! Yeah. Call you my baby. Thank you.
You my shorty, want you to ride, just like my homies, yeah. Wanna get at work, like early mornings, yeah. And after that you'll be mine, you still be right by my side. Call you my baby, make you my shorty, want you to ride, just like my homies, yeah. Wanna get at work, like early mornings, yeah. And after that you'll be mine, you still be right by my side. And I say, ooh, look at what you done to me. I need your love and tenderness, I need your company. You say you a rider, well show me you rollin'. I wanna be there when nobody notice. I wanna be the one that you roll with. Only wanna stay open. Love it, girl, when you focus. Girl, you with it, say you with it. I never be the one to be trippin', and you don't never be trippin'. Girl, about all these bitches who tell you they love me but don't.
You would never mention the game. These broke bitches don't wanna pay some attention. It feel good when you come for nothing and something over some time. The niggas that used to play you was not reciting your lines, and I ain't even fucking making yet. But look, I got it like that, cause most of these niggas haters and haters can fall back and slip and fall into a death trap. Don't be where you rest at. You fuck around, I turn that graveyard to your new habitat. The spinning lyrical, metaphysical, egotistical, individual, shit they slip my umbilical. Raised by his parents, so he had to change. His daddy was a hustler, mommy had crack on through her bank shit. So I guess mama was the rolling stone in this one. Daddy rolled that nice and made it back twice his. A little nigga with 500 in his pocket. He told me you want it, you gotta get it. Yeah, it's not an option. That's my synopsis. Back to the main topic. You pick up the mic and rock it and take off the reach and rock it. He's so higher than chronic. He goes so how ironic, but still keep it harmonic till I'm nearly departed. I'm the person one perfection, never secret and expression. The flow that I perfected, you projected. Him and his bitch with no preconception, and that's what Achilles niggas. Without payment about the blessing. My nigga was in line, he died over that kick game. My nigga she more sports than Clark Lee at a Knicks game. Nigga just came home, first things to the flip came. That thing hit the price to that no right as an East pain. The nigga caught a jokes, he got jokes that he needs things. Mommy sexually struggling, brother out here bugging out. Pops out around, got his sister out here smoking out. Had new dreams, but the dreams wasn't vivid. Top shot his right hand man. Cellular suspicious, candles lit like water deuce, mother just crying tears. Niggas that never show love like I wish he was here. Let's go, it's cool. Make some motherfucking noise for Hoody. Yo! Make some motherfucking noise for Hoody. Let's